an initiative that has the football community humming like an espresso-fueled beehive. Spain's Camp Nou Stadium is a popular football stadium and event facility situated in the Les Corts district of Barcelona. Since its inauguration in September 1957, FC Barcelona has called this iconic stadium home. But to be honest, this old stadium is starting to show its age. Outdated facilities, leaky roofs, and corporate hospitality that feels archaic. On the global scene, Barca was beginning to appear like a faded glory. Barca felt like they were playing in a remodeled garage when competitors like Real Madrid and Manchester City were showcasing their multi-billion-dollar facilities. However, as they say, money talks, and these days Barcelona doesn't have much of it. Barca has it all: debt, wages greater than Messi's trajectory on a free kick, among others. So how in the world are they completing this enormous project? Sponsorship deals tangle with innovative income sources such as branded stadium naming rights and VIP events stepped in. Yes, it's dangerous, but Barca is betting that it can turn Camp Nou into a money-making machine. After being finished, the new project is expected to bring around 200 million euros annually. As a result, Espai Barça won't be a financial burden for the members, raise typical club expenses, jeopardize the institution's assets, or weaken its capacity to manage sports. Before we move on, make sure to hit the subscribe button to stay up to date with other massive mega projects happening in the world. With 99,354 seats, Camp Nou, meaning new field, is one of the biggest stadiums in Spain and all of Europe. Camp Nou Stadium is also home to one of Catalonia's most popular museums, the FC Barcelona Museum, which welcomes over 1.2 million visitors per year. The museum provides guests with a comprehensive experience by showcasing the club's rich history, accomplishments, and artifacts. Camp Nou's architecture is unique, with a large, steep layout that offers fantastic views from almost every seat. The stadium is a representation of football greatness because of its distinctive oval form, which adds to its identity. Several significant football events, including the 1982 FIFA World Cup, have taken place at Camp Nou. With an estimated 120,000 fans, the 1986 European Cup match between FC Barcelona and Juventus had the biggest attendance ever recorded. Events and concerts are often held at this stadium. Michael Jackson, Bruce Springsteen, Julio Iglesias, and U2 have all performed at large-scale concerts here. Other events at Camp Nou Stadium include also human rights and charity events, as well as the mass celebration presided over by Pope John Paul II that drew in over 121,500 attendees. Camp Nou Stadium has been discussed for reconstruction by Barca for some years now. Ultimately, on October 23, 2023, the club's request for permission to look for the best financing operation was met with resounding approval from the board of directors. This was allowed for a maximum of 1.5 billion euros, with plans to develop the surrounding region, renovate Camp Nou, and create the new Palau Blaugrana, complete with the Petit Palau and ice rink. The name of this most recent endeavor is Espai Barça. What makes the Espai Barça essential? Why now in such a financial crisis? Given the present financial difficulties, the Espai Barça is even more essential. As a representation of Barcelona's character, the Camp Nou is the biggest stadium in Europe and has been attracting enormous numbers of tourists annually since 2003. Remarkably, though, just 5% of its overall area has been renovated. In the meantime, an outstanding number of 67 other European stadiums, 58 of which have undergone significant renovations since 2003, have already topped Camp Nou in terms of state-of-the-art amenities. During that time, 13 stadiums in Spain's La Liga underwent renovations. What are we receiving for these 1.5 billion euros then? New places for members to sit and gather. With the new arrangement, the capacity of 105,000 spectators is maintained, and space will be available for all members on the waiting list. There will be additional facilities for members, and they will be undercover. With an independent double ring situated between the second and third stands, the first stand's VIP ring will be positioned higher up, significantly expanding the capacity of the VIP booths. It is suggested to build a new third stand, which would increase the club's open spaces and enable greater operational and functional distribution, comfort, and accessibility for members. Additionally, it minimizes the impact on members by allowing the VIP areas to be concentrated rather than dispersed across the stadium. The upcoming Camp Nou will feature a stadium with the newest technology available, including a 360-degree screen that will provide attendees with a truly unforgettable experience. The capabilities provided by 5G connectivity will be fully utilized, and the security and vehicle access control system will be enhanced. With immersive audio, 360-degree displays, and AI-powered experiences, tech wizards are creating magical moments that will make you feel like you're hugging Messi after a game-winning goal. A versatile Palau Blaugrana that can accommodate 15,000 spectators. The club is researching and reevaluating the options for the current project, which will preserve much of the external design in theory. The goal is to raise the capacity from 10,000 to 15,000 spectators on match days and 18,000 spectators overall, while also maintaining a standard and adapting to the demands of professional sports. To get additional revenue streams, flexibility will be strengthened to integrate athletic events with cultural gatherings. The coach parking space and the Petite Pala in the ice rink will both be preserved by the new project. The Pala, which will be a venue for sports and entertainment, will also be able to stage concerts and cultural events. It will also be a leader in hosting the finest sporting events on the Barça campus. The new project preserves the district's integration with an open space clear of obstacles and will serve as a new municipal landmark. It also incorporates an innovative idea to make the most of the location by developing a park that provides fresh experiences for recreation and sports. Campus Barça offers members and guests a one-of-a-kind experience. This campus is a grassy area with circuits and sports facilities that act as a gathering place. The new Campus Barça concept bids adieu to the so-called diamonds in favor of more emphasis on the site's green spaces, complete with children's play areas, fountains, and leisure spaces for guests and locals. It also includes a welcome hub within the stadium stand. The Barça Hall of Fame will also be located on the campus. The structure that originally housed the old Masia, the Masia del Can Plains, will also be incorporated into the new project's overall campus layout. The Barça store will be located in the hub of the stadium stand, which faces the University Esplanade. The Espai Barça is the legacy that we will leave our sons, daughters, and grandchildren, stated Joan Laporta, president of FC Barcelona. So is the Spotify Camp. No upgrade a courageous move or a bad financial decision? What do you think? Make sure to check out this video if you are interested in finding out more about other mega projects. Goodbye for now, and we will see you in the next video.